The practice of displaying advertising based on a website's content is known as contextual targeting. It's similar to placing a print ad in a specialty magazine on the internet. Using contextual advertising means that you'll spend less money on ads and have more control over which platforms your ads appear on. Ads are served based on what content the customer is looking at and when and where they are looking at it. So how do you get started? Stick with us to find out.
To find the best ad placements for a contextual campaign, you must first know what your campaign is about. Select your categories. Most networks will let you refine it down to specific terms like K-pop or convertibles, rather than music or car. Then you can define your keywords. Keywords help you to more precisely target the relevant ad placements. To help restrict your emphasis, Google recommends using 5 to 50 keywords in your campaign.
A demand-side platform, or DSP, is a technology that allows buyers of digital ad inventory to handle several ad exchanges and data exchange accounts from a single interface. Your DSP takes over once you've specified the settings for your contextual targeting campaign. It will search across its network's material to discover the greatest matches. You may choose whether you want your reach to be broad or narrow. This will influence whether your adverts appear on pages that are related to your topics or, more specifically, pages that are related to your keywords.
All that's left after that is to publish your ad. Make sure you've set appropriate KPI and that your ads are accompanied by well-designed creatives. Then, after everything is in order, you can start placing your adverts. It's critical to pay attention to your data and measure your KPI, testing, and tweaking until you have a properly optimized campaign.
The use of software to purchase digital advertising is known as programmatic ad purchasing. While traditional methods include calls for proposals, tenders, quotes, and negotiations, programmatic buying buys and sells online advertising space using algorithmic software. Contextual ad targeting paired with programmatic advertising allows marketers to get the most out of their advertising budget by bidding on high-value impressions and changing the definition of high value on the fly. It's a formidable force when combined with contextual targeting. 7 Social can help you optimize your targeting using a wide range of programmatic ad tech solutions and platforms. So what are you waiting for? Get started with us today.